Construction is one of the largest industries, and yet it relies on legacy tools and work methods even in the 21st century. We are Pace Robotics, based out of Bangalore in India, and we provide construction robots as a service. I am Srinivas, CEO and co-founder. Extremely low contractor profit margins at 5% and an acute shortage of skilled labor has made these work methods highly unsustainable. Over 60% of projects are delayed for more than a year, and there is a productivity gap of $1.6 trillion globally. These are evidences of high degree of inefficiency. Our mission is to make construction efficient and sustainable by disrupting these legacy work methods. Our new robotic work method will involve a robot that can perform tasks autonomously, thereby increasing the productivity, and then collect data in real time and create actionable data pools to improve the project controls as a whole. By doing this, we envision to become the fastest growing tech company through solving the most complex problems in construction. Our growth strategy is focused on building modular multitasking robots distributed through robotics as a service model, and then build a portfolio of products that can improve an entire value stream at any point of time. To take you through the details of our product, I request Ayush to take over from here.
Yeah, thank you. I'm Ayushma and I lead the product development at Pace Robotics. And with our first product, we are trying to develop a modular wall finishing robot which is capable of automating wall finishing, which is basically plastering, putty, and painting end to end with one mainframe robot, wherein we just switch out some basic nozzles and hoses between the various jobs. And at a broader level, we are focused on building the sensors and software which help the robot navigate and perform its task with minimal human intervention and perform a quality of task which is accurate over large areas. And also, we want the robot to be integrated with BIM, which is the digital twin of the site, so that all the information gathered on site is relayed back to the BIM. The impact of using a robot will be a 10x increase in productivity, a 3x reduction in cost per every square feet, a lesser dependency on labor, an increased quality uniformity over large areas, and also an increase in safety in the wall finishing step. And the opportunity that we see with wall finishing is in $1.1 billion market in India, out of which we want to capture 80 million within the first 5 years. And with building finishes, we see an $11 billion opportunity in India.
We believe now is the right time to go after this opportunity. On one side, the problems that we explained initially have been amplified by a COVID-induced slowdown, while on the other side, the housing needs of the current decade is at least 10 times the housing supply of the previous decades. We also have a fairly mature ecosystem around us for robotics, where the suppliers and skills are more easily available, and the adoption of robotics-related technology have considerably grown up. We'll go to market with two sets of customers. One is a channel partner to whom we'll be renting out our robots. And the second is a project owner who is a developer or a general contractor to whom we'll be providing our services through these channel partners. Our projections are based on a unit price of 3 to 4 cents per square feet. We'll be starting with 8 robots that can give us a monthly revenue of $30,000 and go up to 1,000 robots by 2025 that can give us a monthly revenue of $3.4 million. Our competition are other startups in the wall finishing space, and one of them is in India. How we stand apart is by providing a greater project impact through our modular and multitasking robots and through data intelligence, and also greater industry impact to the robotics as a service distribution model. Our team has a collective experience in robotics, construction, and artificial intelligence. In addition to me and Ayush, we have Sukrit, who is the robot autonomy lead, and Sridhar, who is an AI and CV consultant. We'll need $500,000 to take us from our current MVP stage to the launch of 8 units and getting a monthly revenue of $30,000. 70% of the funds will be used towards product development and 20% will be used towards sales and marketing. We are currently supported by MAL 5G Accelerator and signed IIT Bombay. We have collectively raised a sum of $55,000 from these two resources. We have 5 pilots lined up, including 1 paid pilot, and we are expecting to starting our pilots by the mid of June. Our next immediate step is to hire 5 engineering team members by the month of July. Thank you for listening to us, and we are open to Q&A.